And guys, good morning. Got my good luck coffee cup. All right. Oh, that's really good. Okay. I'm not gonna sip too loud, okay? Okay, let's get right into it, guys. It's really good today. All right, what's happening? It's T2 is trying to make some moves, right? I looked at this morning and I was wondering what it's gonna do. It's still trying to consolidate between this I say like the low 18 to 23 area. It's just bouncing back and forth through um, this little small area, right? At some point, it's going to break out. I made a chart yesterday saying that I think it's preparing for a breakout and probably going to run up to the upside. Um, I don't know if that was going to happen yesterday or it's going to happen today or whenever, but right now it's trying to move to the upside. Okay. And someone made me aware of something, okay? I don't know how true it is. I tried to do some research really quick. I think, I don't know if the company hired a law firm to investigate their stock price or someone else took it upon themselves to investigate T2's stock price. Like, it was at, like, how did it get from $5 down to 23 cents? They're doing some investigation. But I'm going to play this recording, okay? But keep in mind, we've seen this we've seen this kind of happen before. When a company, their stocks get low and they need something to kind of push it up. So they say, "Oh, our stock is getting shorted and we think some hedge funds or someone's doing something illegal shorting and all this other stuff. So we took it upon ourselves to hire a law firm to investigate our stock." I've heard this before, okay? Not saying that they're following this trend of trying to get their stock pushed back up by saying this, because Mullen did it. A couple of other stocks companies did this also. And the stock went up just a little bit and then it comes back down. Okay. But I don't know how true this is. I don't know if Ttoo Biosystems, if the company, the CEO or someone within the company actually hired someone to investigate their stock. I have no clue. Okay. The stock is trying to push up on some type of news, but I'm going to go over here and I'm going to play this. I'm going to play this right here and get the volume right. And well, let's just take a listen to this. Hope you guys can hear this.
On October 2nd, 2023, Cascala Law LLC announced that it is investigating Ttoo Biosystems, Inc. NASDAQ, TTOO, on behalf of the company's investors. The investigation seeks to determine whether the company's officers and/or directors breached their fiduciary duties or violated the securities laws in connection with recent corporate actions. The investigation is focused on several factors, including Ttoo Biosystems' recent financial performance and its ability to continue as a going concern, the company's sales and marketing practices, including its claims about the accuracy and reliability of its diagnostic products, Ttoo Biosystems' relationships with its distributors and other third-party vendors, the company's disclosure of information to investors. Cascala Law LLC is a nationally recognized law firm that has extensive experience representing investors in securities class actions. The firm is offering free consultations to investors who have purchased Ttoo Biosystems securities. It is important to note that the investigation is ongoing and no conclusions have been reached. However, the investigation is a sign that investors are concerned about Ttoo Biosystems' business and its management. In addition to the Cascala Law LLC investigation, there have been several other reports of concerns about Ttoo Biosystems. For example, in September 2023, CR Group, a 10% owner of Ttoo Biosystems, sold 13.13 million shares of the company's stock. The sale came after Ttoo Biosystems expressed doubts in its most recent 10Q report about its ability to continue as a going concern. These reports suggest that investors are losing confidence in Ttoo Biosystems. It is possible that the company will be subject to further investigations, both by law firms and by regulatory agencies. Investors who are concerned about Ttoo Biosystems should consult with a securities attorney to discuss their options.
Okay, so there you go. You can, hold on guys, you can read into that, figure out what they're saying or what's really going on. I'm not sure if someone outside of the company hired these people or someone within the company. But I kind of heard this story before. Like, they're trying to get their stock back up. Not saying that they are, but I don't know. I kind of heard this same story before. But we will see, guys. I don't know what's going to happen today. I know when I looked earlier, it was making some big moves with very low volume. Let's see what the volume is. 1 million, almost 2 million. So we're going to keep an eye on it. I'm not going to make a video on any other stock today. I just want to bring that to you guys' attention because someone brought it to my attention. I'm like, I don't know how reliable this is. So I have to double check, you know. So I did a quick check today and that's what I found. Okay. But if you guys have any more information about what's going on, let me know. Okay. But I do know when a lot of times when a company they're getting in a tight position where they need to get their stock back up and above the requirements to be on NASDAQ, they do things similar to this. I'm not blaming them. I'm not saying that they're intentionally doing this or someone is intentionally doing it. Who knows? Okay. But everyone always want to know if they bought some shares from a company, why is the stock down? Why is it not up? You know, like AMC, people complaining about AMC. People complaining about GameStop. People complaining about Mullen. Like, you just hear this stuff on and on and on and on and on and on. Okay, but it is what it is. But we're going to see what's going to happen. I have no idea which direction it's going to go. I do know it's trying to make some big moves up. Okay, because you can kind of see that right off at the beginning. But that's it, guys. Leave a comment. If you don't even want to leave a comment, just leave a thumbs up or a smiley face emoji or something down there. Let me know that you stopped by. All right, guys. Take care. See you next one. Peace.